PCS, the experts in artificial lift for more than a quarter century, present the OptiFlow gas lift system. Gas lift is an artificial lift method that most closely mimics a naturally flowing well. There are many instances where gas lift is both effective and economical, including when producing a well that can't flow on its own, initially unloading a well that will flow on its own later, increasing the production of a flowing well, increasing production in a deviated or horizontal well, or a well with sand or scale problems, unloading a well affected by adjacent well drilling and fracturing, and backflowing an injection or disposal well, or backflowing after fracking. The OptiFlow gas lift system, by PCS, uses a high-pressure source at the surface to inject gas down the annulus into the tubing. The compressed gas is injected into the production stream through gas lift valves fitted in integral mandrels. The mandrels are installed as part of the tubing string and are positioned at prescribed depths. As the gas enters the tubing string through the valve, it creates aeration, or a bubbling effect, in the liquid column. The gas bubbles expand as they rise to the surface, displacing the liquid around them and reducing the density and weight of the fluid. This decreases the flowing tubing pressure, creating a differential pressure between the reservoir and the well bore, and allowing the well to produce at its optimum rate. The mandrel assembly is the equipment component of the OptiFlow gas lift system. Shown is a tubing retrievable assembly comprised of a gas lift valve, a check valve, and the mandrel itself. The gas lift valve injects the gas into the production string. It is housed in the mandrel and is injection pressure operated, with a nitrogen-charged dome and bellows configuration. The dome charge pressure is calculated and preset prior to installation, based on the designed depth and operating temperature. Employing a metal-to-metal seal, the check valve protects against backflow from the tubing to the annulus. This type of spring-loaded check valve is used with gas lift valves that do not have an integral check valve. The mandrel is the backbone of the PCS OptiFlow gas lift system. Multiple mandrels are installed at specific depths as an integral component of the tubing string. The ported lug of this tubing retrievable mandrel is used to house the gas lift and check valves. Installation of the OptiFlow gas lift system begins with a carefully engineered design customized for your well specifications. Our OptiPod software uses both existing and anticipated well characteristics to determine the optimal amount of injection gas needed to deliver fluids to the surface, as well as the correct placement of the injection valves based on pressure calculations. By adapting to both current and future well conditions, the OptiFlow gas lift system ensures optimal production throughout the life of the well. When gas injection begins, the fluid levels in both the tubing and annulus are at the surface. The pressure of this fluid holds the valves open. As the gas is injected down the annulus, fluid from the tubing and annulus are being U-tubed through all valves. The annular fluid unloads past the first valve, and the gas injection aerates the liquid above the valve, decreasing its density. As the fluid continues to unload below the next valve, the gas injection transfers to that valve. The annular pressure decreases, and the top valve closes. Each lower valve stays open until it becomes the gas injection point. As this happens, the valve above it closes. The transfer of gas injection continues downward until the point of injection is reached. During this process, both the tubing pressure and the flowing bottom hole pressure continually decrease, which increases the well's production rate. The valve at the point of injection remains open, as does the submerged valve below it. Fluids can continuously unload through these valves, and the well is able to flow at its optimal rate. The OptiFlow gas lift system from PCS is an extremely flexible artificial lift solution that can adapt to the flowing conditions throughout the well's lifespan. Here are a few of the benefits. The system is durable and has few moving parts, giving it a longer life than other forms of artificial lift. Initial installation and maintenance costs are economical. The operator can control production rates from the surface. The system is largely unaffected by produced sand, and it is effective in a variety of well configurations, including deviated and horizontal wells. PCS is the industry leader in well site optimization, continuously improving our artificial lift equipment and services for more than a quarter century. To learn more about our complete lineup of well optimization products and services, please contact your local sales and service office or visit us at www.pcslift.com.